Good afternoon folks, well good evening. Today we're unboxing just your standard amplifier wiring kit. You can get this from any local amplifier, any local electronics store. Hooking in a new amplifier into your car stereo. First thing is a set of crimpers, just wee connections just for hooking some of your cables into your actual amplifier, car stereo, battery, etc. To put these on, you're best to use a crimping tool, but you can just use a pair of pliers. Next thing out, we have the fuse. You do need to put the fuse in line with the power cable and the battery. If you don't do this, there's a chance that your car might be set on fire. It is pretty much the only way to put it. So definitely put in your fuse. Next, we have the remote cable. This hooks between your car stereo, which is this side here. Put that in line with the blue cable normally coming from the back of your stereo. Other side into the amplifier, and what this does is this just means that when you turn on your car, your amplifier switches on. You don't want your amplifier to be constantly draining power from the system, otherwise you get in your car won't turn on. The next, we have the brown wire, which in this case is the earth wire. Just hooks between the amplifier and some metal body part of the car. You can find the odd random bolt, things like this. Do try and hook this on to the main body of the car, not a welded on piece. Just gives you a better grounding. Also, a wee trick of the trade is scratch the paint off the surface below this where you're bolting this on. If you do that, it just means you're getting pure metal to metal connection and gives you a better earth. Next bit out is just standard speaker wire. This here is a 300 watt kit, so that's why your speaker wire is quite thin here. Standard speaker wire, nothing really to describe about it. Goes between your amplifier and your speaker. Does exactly what it says in the tin. Then you have the power cable itself. This one here comes with just bare ends. In your connector cable, you then, in your crimp set, you have this. This then helps it bolt directly to your battery. Other side, into your amplifier, you've then got this bit. And don't forget, put your fuse in line so that your car doesn't go on fire. Also a good trick is run your power cable down the opposite side of the car. Then you're putting your signal cables. Your power cable emits an electromagnetic field that can interfere with the signals going to the amplifier and distort your audio. Also, power cable is 99% of the time the red cable, unless it's a very cheap import. And lastly, out of the box, we have the interconnect cables. Standard dual phono. Normally it's red and white to red and white. This one here just happens to be dark blue, light blue, dark blue, light blue. Connects between your stereo and your amplifier. Standard RCAs. And that's us folks. That is the unboxing of an amplifier wiring kit. I'll just let you see the additional information on the back of the box, just in case you want to read a wee bit more. And good night folks, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.